It's Lulu. I am back. I am here just to show you what we are doing in terms of salads. I've changed it up a little bit for the kids. You know, they get bored. So I've changed it up a little bit. And it's been a success. Wouldn't you say, babe?
Yes.
Yeah, they are actually eating it from my 2-year-old all the way to my 8-year-old. All three of them are eating the salad, so I have no complaints. So I just wanted to show you what I'm doing. Right here, I have green leaf lettuce, organic. And what we usually do when I get the batch, I clean it up and put it in this container. We have an organic Gala apple. I don't know if you can see this, honey. Gala, right? I have already cut up my cucumbers here, organic. I have some tomatoes, and what I've done here, I've already cut the lettuce fine, and I have some red onions right here, and then I'm gonna also be using some cabbage, and that's how I keep it interesting. Also, I have my lime. You can always use lemon for the salad dressing, so I'm gonna use half a lime. I have my Himalayan sea salt. I have a little bit of ground organic black pepper. I have my olive oil, and I'm gonna do the organic apple cider vinegar by Bragg's. And it's just a simple salad. I change it up, but I'm just gonna show you this version. As you've already seen, I've already cut up, and it comes whole, but I just take it like that, and it helps when it's cut fine. They're able to chew it better. So I just do that. I already cut up my red onion, so it's going right in there. I have my cucumbers, so I'm dropping it in there. And my cabbage, you can do it two ways. You can use this, you know, if you want to do that. If you want it really fine, or you can just take your knife and go to town. So it's all up to you how you want to do that. I see they don't have a problem when I do it this way, so that's why I'm doing it that way. And it's actually very good for you, so why not add a little cabbage? And guess what? It adds color to the salad. It's not just boring color. So here's my tomatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my tomatoes to add it in there. Also, I have almonds and cashews, but I'm not gonna add it. Only two of my babies really enjoy nuts. The one in the middle, and the third. My oldest, she'll remind me, Mom, why did you put nuts in my salad? You know I don't like nuts. She only likes certain nuts at certain times. Here's my apple. What I'm gonna do is take it and go to town. I like it like this. It's easy. It adds a little sweetness, so that's what I like about adding the little apple to it. You can use any apple. If you want a little bit more tart, you can always do the Granny Smith. But hey, the kids are not complaining, so whatever apple I decide, I just go to town. And the skin has a lot of nutrients, so I just wash it with our vegetable and fruit cleaner. That's what I do. Looking good. And with the simple salad dressing that I add on to it, it just gives it a nice flavor. It's not heavy cream. It's is delicious. It's not heavy. It's light, and the kids tend to like it. And if I don't put enough salad dressing, including my husband, you will hear about it. They'll ask, what happened to the salad dressing, Mom? There's like nothing in there. My husband will say, did something happen to the salad dressing? I'm like, it's in there. So this, when I do it this way, I find that is better because it's more unison. I don't hear much complaints about, oh my goodness, Mom, why I can't taste the flavor of the salad dressing. So I have my lime. Again, you can do lemon or lime. Lime is what I have, so that's what I'm adding. So I'm just juicing a half a lime. Then I'm gonna do a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Not too much, just enough. Thank you, honey. And I'm gonna add about, for this amount, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. And of course you can adjust it, you know, if you need more, depending how much lettuce, how much stuff you put in it. Of course you're gonna adjust it. And I'm just gonna put about a half teaspoon of pepper. And same thing with the salt. Not too much, just enough to taste. And then I'm gonna go to town. I'm gonna mix this baby until all the flavors are well mixed. And if you taste it and you feel that the flavors are not what you want, add some more. You can add Italian seasoning if you have. Just change it up. Yesterday I did the Italian citrus seasoning. No, I think it was just a citrus seasoning. Yeah, I added Monk's, but just giving you a simple version. But look at it. It looks beautiful. It looks like it's delicious. So the kids will be happy to enjoy something like this. Again, my kids have 0 problems eating salad. Sometimes they're actually asking for more. So, and what's great about this, if you wanted to make this into a wrap, you can actually add this into a wrap, and that could be your lunch. It can turn into something as a snack instead of going for the bag of sour vinegar chips, potato chips. You can grab something like this and make a wrap. Well, that's it. Honey, I'm gonna have you try this.
I have it almost every day.
Right.
It's very good.
Yes. So he will have to tell the truth.
I've already told you the truth.
It's all in the taste test. Go ahead. How are the flavors?
Very good.
All right. And also, they're going to be having some salmon with some quinoa to accompany the salad. So that's what we're having for dinner, folks. Well, I hope you liked what I had to show you. Here are all my ingredients. And this is the finished touch. Delicious
Beautiful
salad. Enjoy. Comment, like, share, subscribe.